Hi, good evening, and it is day 31 of improving my communication. Um, my hand is a tamarind. It is grown in mostly in villages. It is a little bit sour and sweet. I'll show you it. The tree. Here you can see it is a tree of tamarind. Okay. It is used in curries in India. Yeah, comment yesterday. And one of our relatives, no, two of our relatives got sick. Like one person came sunstroke, and then another person there is a snake bite. So me and my family members visited them, and it is we lived at 11 o'clock in home, and again we returned at 5 o'clock my home. And next at night, like 5:30, around 5:30. I have a Misho exam that is for software engineer role or software developer role. So I started. It is a 3 hours exam, 2 hours 45. So I started at my 5:30, and it taken around 2 hours. But and I attempted, but like one program was not executed. I tried, but okay. At night, yesterday IPL match started. The first match between RCB and Delhi. Okay, RCB and KKR. KKR better build, and finally RCB win the match. And Philip Salt and Virat Kohli completed their half century. Yeah, all about yesterday.